What's up everybody, today I'm in Chengdu, China, and I'm going to show you guys the famous bamboo towers that light up at nighttime. I'm going to be going over some tips and tricks on how to get to the spot here. I just got dropped off by the taxi. I'm not sure where I'm at, but I found this SKP sign, so I think we're close. I thought we're going to a mall, but there's no buildings. I think it's underneath, so we'll find out. When you're choosing the location on maps, the map system on the iPhone isn't as good in China, so use like DD or any other Chinese maps. Because I checked on Google Maps, Apple Maps, where they said the mall was somewhere way different than here. So that's one thing to check out before you call a taxi. So let's take a look. Oh yeah, I think the mall is definitely underneath. So I found the map here. It seems like almost everything's underground. There's a first floor, basement 1, basement 2, basement 3. It says there's a second floor, but I'm not seeing any floors above the ground. So I think the best way is to just start off or go downstairs, just walk around. This place is nice. So the inside part was just non-stop luxury brands. So it's almost boring because there wasn't many other options besides just nice brands. Here, this is pretty cool. Like this outdoor part looks very futuristic, kind of like Westworld or some other futuristic TV shows. Very modern. We finally made it to a nice part of the mall where there's restaurants and other things to do, and then just straight luxury shopping. Here it's open air, very modern, very futuristic, plants, and so it's a pretty cool experience so far. Earlier when we were shopping, there was like a space theme. They had alien statues, and it was very cool. So if you look over here, actually, you'll see that there's the bamboo towers over there. So I found the bamboo towers right ahead. And if you want, you can come over here and sit and enjoy the view. After exploring the massive mall of all the tunnels, different floors, we finally made it to the bamboo towers. You can see that it's on right now with the lights, but it's still too bright to get the full effect, but let's still check it out. Wow. This kind of reminds me of Singapore with like the modern architecture as well as all the green around it. So pretty cool experience. If you haven't already, you should go to Singapore and check out all the trees that light up at nighttime. So it's currently 8:12. Sunset was supposed to be 3 minutes ago, so I'm not sure how reliable the weather app is here. As you can see, it's starting to get a little bit crowded. People have some serious equipment here. They got like professional cameras, strobes. So hopefully it doesn't get too busy once it's dark. Look at this, wow, it looks even bigger in person. Look at this. It's also pretty cool. It's like a lake here, so you can enjoy it. I don't know if you're allowed to splash in it, but adds to the effect. It was still bright outside, so I decided to go eat dinner to pass some time. So we found the food court. The food court goes on forever. There's like Michelin guide restaurants, and there's some cheaper ones. Here, we got a lot of food. We got like brown sugar, rice, dessert right here, braised meatballs. Here's really good. It's like sweet, chunky noodles. Like tastes homemade. It's very good. With kind of like a peanut spicy sauce, pretty spicy. And then here we got duck noodles, very spicy. And then here we got the fish wontons. So all this together is only about $10 US, which is such a crazy good deal. It's finally dark outside, so let's start heading over to the bamboo towers. I'm super excited for this. I know it's gonna be super cool, and I can't wait to show you guys. So look at this walkway, it's so beautiful with all these trees, greenery, a modern mall. We're finally getting closer. You can see the bamboo towers right there. Look at that. We made it, look at this. It's pretty crowded, but wow. Got some monks right here. The best place to take pictures, videos, I think is honestly in this area closer to the towers. If you go farther out or towards the beginning, there's a lot of people that clump up there, so I would just walk past everyone to get to this better spot here. So if you look, everyone's at the beginning of the towers right here. But then if you come over here, it's a lot less people. Oh, it's wet. Check it out. If you want, you can pay some people here to do a photo shoot of you. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to see future travel videos.